How to delete peas in Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete peas on Word. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. Open up Word. Now you have to navigate to that page where you want to delete the peas from. For example, I want to delete this blank page right here. All you have to do is press on or press the backspace key in your keyboard, and there you go. The page is now deleted. But if that doesn't work in your case, then you have to navigate to that page that you want to delete. Once you move the cursor to that specific page, press Ctrl G in your keyboard. You will have this pop-up box in your interface. So from there, on that text box that says enter page number, type in \page. After you type that, click on go to and then click on close. Once you're done with that, now simply press backspace or delete key in your keyboard, and with that the page will get deleted. So that's how you can delete peas in Word, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.